Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with Basecamp Trading. It is Thursday, December 22nd, and we're going to take a look at the Russell and what happened with the Russell here today and how you could have been using the MTAM. So the MTAM indicator, as we've talked about the past few days in a row, stands for Multiple Time Frame Analysis of Momentum. So it's looking at several different time frames, and it's looking at whether or not the momentum is bullish, bearish, or neutral on all those time frames. So in this case, we're looking at a 15-minute, a 30-minute, a 60-minute, a 120-minute, and a 240-minute time frame. So five different time frames. And then what it's doing is up at the top, if we have a minimum of 3 of those time frames agreeing on the direction, it will give us a dot up here according to the directional bias. So if it's bearish, it'll get a red dot. If it's neutral, a blue dot. If it's bullish, a green dot. Well, you can see between these two bars here are where we had bearish directional bias, and you can see that the size of the move that took place to the downside. We dropped from 1376 down to 1358, so about a 20-point drop from the high to the low, or a little more than that, about 30-point dropped from the high to the low. So what does this do for you? Well, what it does is it tells us intraday, especially as an intraday trader, that we have a directional bias to the downside. So if we are placing trades in the Russell, that means we're only looking to take short trades between those bars. So it keeps you on the right side of the market. Now, why is this important? Well, the reason it's important is because it helps you increase your reward risk ratio by staying on the right side of these big moves like that. So keep an eye out when you're using the MTAM. Make sure you trade on the right side of all the longer time frame momentum, especially if you're an intraday trader, so that you can have bigger winners and still minimize your losers. Alrighty, that's all I have for you for today. Hope everyone has a Merry Christmas. We'll be back in the trading room on Tuesday, the 27th. So have a great weekend and Merry Christmas. And until next time, happy trading.